guys, welcome back to FreckleFace Finance, where we discuss, you know the drill. So we have officially made it to the end of 2023. So 2023 was full of surprises. It has some letdowns, but on a positive note, I have had my channel for a full year. I'm so proud of myself for keeping this up. I'm really excited about 2024 and continue to create content for you guys, useful content, right? And I'm looking forward to really continuing to show my journey and share my journey with you guys on my road to financial independence. So yay! Thank you for watching. I love all the comments. I love interacting with you guys. And I'm just really looking forward to continue to build my community with you guys. So this is my thank you to you. But yeah, so at the beginning of this year, I made this video on what my investment strategy was gonna be for 2023. So I felt like it was only right to close out the year with going over what those goals were, which ones I hit, which ones quite didn't make it and may need to carry over to 2024. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, then just keep on watching. So one of my goals for 2023 was to invest aggressively, and I hit that goal. So I was able to contribute a little over $6,000 towards my 401k, and that's not including the agency match. So in total, I contributed a little over $13,000 towards my 401k, and I'm really proud of that. I was able to max out my Roth IRA for $6,500 for the second year in a row, and I was really proud that I was able to do that as well. So I would say that investing aggressively, I was able to hit that goal, and I'm really proud of myself, and I want to carry that over to 2024 because I would like to do the exact same thing. So I would say for goal number one was a success. So another goal of mine in the investment category was to learn how to day trade. And child, that is not for the weak of heart, let me tell you. So I feel like I learned how to day trade, and I feel like I'm grasping the concepts, but actually applying it, no. It's a no for me. So yeah, that is something that I would still be really interested in learning how to do. I would like to learn how to be a successful day trader as opposed to just learning the information, right? So I think that that is a goal that I'm gonna carry into 2024, but for 2023, it's a no. I was not successful in accomplishing that particular goal that I had set out for myself for this year. But that's okay. I feel like you live and you learn, and you know, I just need to apply some different strategies because baby, it was not for the weak of heart, but I did at least try. So the second goal that I had set out for myself for 2023 was to purchase an investment property. So unfortunately, I was not successful in this goal either. It is just really hard to come up with a large sum of money to buy an investment property. And so I'm gonna carry this goal into 2024. There are like some other things that I am thinking about when it comes to buying an investment property. So this year I spent a lot of time researching commercial properties. So I'm really undecided on if I wanna invest in a residential property or if I wanna invest in a commercial property. So I have to really do some more research in order to determine which type of investment property I would like to purchase. So goal 2 and 3 kind of are one and the same. My third goal for 2023 was to increase my income. I was successful and I did accomplish this goal. So I wanted to increase my income by 20%. I didn't quite increase it by 20%, but I did increase it. I also picked up a part-time job, and so I did technically increase my income, but just not in the way that I was anticipating that I would. I also started renting out bedrooms within my house. And so I was able to help some family members out, which really, it was a mutual benefit to both of us. So I was able to gain some help in that aspect as well. So I haven't quite been able to monetize my YouTube channel yet, but I feel like it's coming. I definitely think you guys can help me out by liking this video and getting it pushed out to a larger audience. I feel like I am so close. So that is a goal of mine that I am gonna carry over into 2024, and hopefully I'm able to do it sooner rather than later. So things that I accomplished in 2023 that were not on my goals list for the year is that I was able to beef up my emergency fund. And so when I originally started, I always felt like just having 3 months of an emergency fund was enough. But the economy that we're in and just like the uncertainty, I just feel like 3 months is not enough. And so this year I was able to beef up my emergency fund so that I can have a mini nest egg in case something happens. And so I think that, you know, in 2024, I would like to carry that over and just continue to build my emergency fund so that I can just feel more secure for the uncertainty that we face. So that was something that I was able to accomplish in 2023. That wasn't even an original goal of mine. All right, y'all, so that kind of goes over my goals for 2023, which ones I hit, which ones I didn't hit. And so now I want to talk about what my goals are for 2024. And so for 2024, I know you guys, if you watched a couple of videos ago, you saw that I have accumulated a little bit of debt in 2023. And so my goal for 2024 is to really tackle that debt and get it down to zero by the end of 2024. And so I'm really focusing on, you know, continuing to increase my income, picking up little odd jobs, monetizing my YouTube page so that I can put all of that money towards my debt and so that I can continue to invest aggressively. So yeah, 2024 is going to be all about debt payoff. So I also have a financial goal of mine to have the PMI on my home removed. And so if you guys aren't familiar with that, when you own a home, if you put down less than 20%, then you get something called private mortgage insurance tacked onto your mortgage. So I'm really looking forward to getting the PMI removed from my mortgage in 2024 so that I can use the extra money towards my principal and actually pay down my house a little bit faster. So that is definitely a goal of mine in 2024. Another goal of mine for 2024 is I would like to educate myself on estate planning. So I know that my parents are getting a lot older and I just want to make sure that they're set up. Like if you start looking into just how, like, I don't want to say the government, but if you start looking into like just how older people or like senior citizens are just effed over later in life, it will just appall you and disgust you. So I'm really interested in 2024 educating myself on estate planning so that I can make sure that my parents are protected as they enter this later stage in life. And so I'm really interested in learning about it, and I'll keep you guys updated on things that I find out. Last but not least, something that was just really unexpected, and I never would have thought it in 2023, but going into 2024, I had someone reach out to me recently who was interested in me helping them financially plan. And so I started thinking, what would it take to open up my own financial planning business, or like some type of like, you know, financial education business. And so I've really been looking into that. And so I kind of want to say that that's a goal of mine in 2024. I'm not really sure what all goes into it just yet, but it is something that I am looking into. And so it's just kind of like a little asterisk of, you know, start your own financial planning or financial education business. You know, just keeping that in the back of my mind. So maybe my goal isn't to start the business, but my goal for 2024 is to look into it to see, you know, could I really make that happen for myself in a year? So yeah, I'll be looking into that for 2024. I feel like I'm very passionate about financial independence and teaching people how to manage their money. But quite frankly, there's just some people who just have no desire to learn it and they would rather someone else just do it for them. And so I'll be looking into if I'll be able to, you know, supply that demand. So we'll see. So all in all, I'm really looking forward to continuing to pay off debt for 2024. Not getting caught up in the hype to purchase material things, and more importantly, just spend more time with my family and friends and making an honest effort to be present, and hopefully you guys do the same. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. If you like this video even a little bit, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that my content can get pushed out to a larger audience and we can be monetized in 2024. But yeah, as always, I just really enjoy making these videos. I hope you guys have a very happy holiday season and spend some much desired time with your families. Bye.